temperatures inland, Keith, looking
Nice.
pretty nice today.
Nice. Yeah, we popped a couple of 80s, as I thought we might, just near the border there. Well, on the coast, we're doing the coast thing that we do, like 60. It's kind of where it's kind of where we live at for a while. This week, though, I think overall looks pretty. Look at that. That's a classic spring in Maine kind of map there, where it's just. Parsonsfield got to 82 today when I looked. It's 82 still in Conway, New Hampshire. Get to the coast, 61 in Portland, 66 in Algonquin, but you know I have a vendetta against that particular thermometer. It's always way too warm. 55 in Phippsburg, so it's a bit cooler, obviously, along the coast. Onshore flow, the water temperature sitting at 51. That will do it. And it's a little bit more uniform across central and northern Maine, temperatures into the low and mid 60s. We have a couple of thunderstorms out there right now that have kind of disintegrated into just showers, or what I'd consider thunder showers. A little lightning still being detected on this one, but mostly just a quick heavy downpour coming through Livermore and eventually into Skowhegan here, though this one's falling apart through Strong at the moment. So we had enough kind of convectiveness in the atmosphere today to pop up a couple of those. South of there, though, really a lot of sun today. We had clouds up through about 9:30 or 10 in a lot of spots, and then we broke those clouds, and that's where the temperatures went up quickly from there. So these showers and storms, we'll see how they hold together. Right now, not too well, which doesn't surprise me. It's pretty dry at the low levels of the atmosphere. So these showers and storms try to make their way across the interior, probably die out before they get to the coastline, though. And a lot of tonight is spent around 55 degrees or so, dropping to 50 briefly by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow I do think is cloudier than today. That being said, I still think it's a pretty decent day. Upper 60s in a lot of spots, mid 70s probably over central Maine here, Bangor for example, likely in the mid 70s by tomorrow afternoon. Some showers possible again in the mountains, and another spot down across southern and western Maine, but not a bad day at all. And then Thursday, some showers possible in the morning along the coastline, and then we go to a mixture of sun and clouds. Once again, upper 60s, some stray 70s. And so we had this week that I told you yesterday wasn't as bad as it looked on an app, and here we are showing all these periods of time where we're going to have sun and relatively mild temperatures. Now the weekend has also improved. It looked like it was going to be rainy. The models have shifted away from that solution. It's still pretty close, so I just want to be clear on that it's not a lock yet that we end up with the nicer weekend, but I like the trend in general. The trend is your friend, as they say in forecasting sometimes, so we'll keep an eye on that. Until then, just kind of rocking here. I really like Friday a lot because we should be mostly dry in the mid 70s. That's your inland forecast, of course. So just shave off 7 degrees easily there for the coastline, as that tends to be the case. And then again, if the weekend stays dry, it's not quite as warm, but compared to what it looked like yesterday, we are moving in the right direction with that.
Absolutely.
Forecast.
Looking good. Thanks, Keith.